I got the first-hand information.
Yeah.
And I'm like, how? I'm from who?
And
I told Maria, like, you gave yourself up to me. Like, you made me find out you're the one. As soon as I found out, I now withdrew from her. Even Perry, I knew, but I kept quiet. Perry already knew his own already. He knew, like, man, this guy has figured me out. I had to change because I don't know if you were in play, you were in acting mode whilst you gave us a wild card. So now you're like a new person.
Why didn't you
put it out there?
Yeah, why?
Yeah, because I don't want my opinion to be the reason why they leave. When you guys were having the meeting in the room, you understand? I was like, the next day she was like, man, why didn't I come and sit with you guys there? By the time I said, you're plotting with the wild card. That's what I said. I said, you're plotting with the wild card and you don't know. And I left. And the other day I gave you guys a clue here, but you guys were not paying attention. You were shouting up and down. I told you the wild card is actually the one ranting. That was the day I knew.